Hi guys, thanks for watching. Today we're going to be testing the HS430 by Holy Stone. Got a camera on it, it's an HD camera. I've got it hooked to the Wi-Fi, so you can see that. I'm going to put that in the video at the bottom. Give her a shot, see how it will do. Not too bad right out of the box. Let's give it a little bit of adjustment. Hope you can see that okay. That's trimmed in pretty well. Just a little bit forward. There we go. Let's start the video. Video started. Let's see what it's seeing. That's pretty good. Turn the speed down a little bit. I got it on high speed. What's up, guys? Let me see me there. Back it up and do that again. What's up, guys? Peace. See if we can get some altitude with this thing. It's up there pretty good for a little drone. Got a little bit of breeze up there, but it cuts right through it okay. Kick it back into the fast speed since there's some wind up there. Alright, I'm going to bring her back down so you guys can see it. Kind of hard to see these little ones up there. Comes down nice and slow. Try a flip. I'll shut the camera down for a little bit so nobody gets motion sickness. Okay, recording has stopped. Let's find my 360 button. I think I just pushed the right joystick down. Yep. Look at that. Tight little flip. Very cool. Nice. A couple still shots. See what that looks like. So we got the sound feature. I'm just hitting the camera button here. Nice. Long press that same button to start the video. I like this drone, guys. It's nice and smooth. Especially for the price, you can't beat it. It's under the $50. on Amazon. That's where I buy all my drones at the moment. And cool little headlights. There's just actually one headlight there for the bar. You got the red power button underneath. Keep your orientation. This is one that don't need to be registered because it's under that weight class. So that's a plus. Anybody looking to get into it, it'd be a good one to start with for sure. And for the expert to fly, it's fun for them too. Let's see if we can land it. Hey, pretty close. Nice. There it is, the HS430. You guys get one, check it out. I'm glad I did. Bye guys.